Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do an unboxing on Legend Nano S limited edition white paper edition. Yep, so let's get started explaining what is it. So as you can see on the 31st of October 2018, it is the 10th anniversary of Bitcoin white paper release. So it is a limited edition Legend Nano S edition that Ledger released out. And yeah, so to celebrate the 10 years of Masterpiece by Satoshi today, and after Ledger is proud to release this second limited edition. So the first limited edition one was the pizza one. So right now, this is the second edition, and I have already purchased it, and I have it ready on my desk, waiting for a review to show you guys. So as you can see, it's a really limited edition one. So there are a total of 5,000 unit made for this limited edition. So I think they have already sold out because on their product page they do not have the white paper limited edition one being listed. So they have the color one. So right now you can choose whichever color you like for your hardware wallet. So you can choose it, and the transparent one look ugly, but of course you can see whatever is inside. Not really transparent, but I would say it's translucent. So instead of art, and they have supported many cryptocurrency on their wallet. And I would say, to be frank, I do not really like the buttons. I have expressed it out on the previous video. So let's get started on unboxing it. So as you can see here, this is the box that I received from Legend Nano S. So this is the Legend Nano S limited edition #2. And on the box, once I receive it, is a packaging, and I received this little thingy over here. I don't know what is it. It look like a pizza. Is it? It look like pizza. If anyone knows what is this, down on the comment section, please explain it to me so I would know. So let's get started unboxing. So it is like this. You can unbox it, and this is the cover of this hardware wallet. So I would say it is kind of amazing. The normal one that you receive, it is just plain white, I would say. And after that, you can see at the back, it is very nice in red color. So yep, this is the cover, and as you can see here, Satoshi Nakamoto white paper crypto gang. The same over here, and yep, this is the box. It looks very cool. And let's get started opening it. So open the box and leave it over here. And the first thing you're gonna see is this over here. Your Nano S limited edition has been recorded with love by Camille on 24th August. What is this? 24, I would say August 08. From what I see is 08 2018 in the Ledger factory of France. So this is the Legend Nano limited edition wallet that you're going to receive. So at the back you can see this. It is showing you the date of the white paper release, and of course it's just a normal ledger, which looks, I would say, incredible. The white color on it. But if you're going to use it daily, please keep it properly at a place which is, I would say, dry and clean, instead of somewhere dirty. If not, your white paper is going to be black soon. So opening up the box, you're gonna get this poster that only the limited edition white paper has this poster over here. So as you can see, the poster is showing you whatever is on the cover, but at a larger version. So you can use this poster and paste it anywhere you like at your house. So at the back is showing you all the names and yeah, whoever is there. So this is kind of big. I'm gonna keep it, and of course it's limited edition, so I'm gonna keep it. And the next thing you're gonna get is this Satoshi Nakamoto white paper, a Bitcoin peer-to-peer electronic cash system, which is the white paper that he has written out at www.bitcoin.org. You can read it over there, but this is the physical piece of paper. So yep, everything on the white paper has been recorded down onto this small piece of book, white paper I would say, by Ledger. So it is kind of cool. So keep it. And the next item I'm going to review is this. This is basically whatever the name is over here is at the back. So the numbering is according to the name, so you can get to know more about it if you have the limited edition wallet. So the next thing you're gonna get is this standard envelope from Ledger, which is a flip, and after that you're gonna receive the first thing you're gonna see is get started, and of course down here this is how you're gonna set up your Ledger Nano S. So head over to this link, do not Google it or anything, because maybe you Google it, it's gonna bring you to the wrong website or phishing website. Therefore I would say just type out everything you see over here, and after that this is in France if I'm not wrong. And the next piece of paper you're gonna see is this review sheet. So read it carefully, and of course I would say never store any cause you're gonna be generated a 24 phase word, the recovery sheet. Do not store it online on a cloud or Google Keep or whatsoever, Dropbox or any place that you store your notepad for this kind of sensitive information. It should only be written on this piece of paper, and this piece of paper should be kept safely, and of course hopefully nobody know where is it, only you. So once, if let's say your Legend Nano S hardware wallet has been destroyed and or unusable, you are able to use this face over here to restore it at a new wallet, if not access your wallet using a different wallet, software wallet or whatsoever, but I would recommend using a hardware one. So yep, this is the piece of paper, and the last piece of paper is the regulatory information, being compliant with the whatever standards that an electronic item must have. So yep, they are licensed and they are professionals. So they have this in the different language and English. So yep, this is just a piece of paper, the envelope, and it's done. And the next thing you're going to receive is this standard cable, a micro USB I would say. It's going to be inserted into this port over here on the ledger to access your wallet. So you plug it in. Once you plug it in, you are going to use this end to connect to your PC, and after that you head over to the website shown on this piece of paper. Make sure you head over here and follow the instruction, and it's very easy. I would say it's user friendly. And yep, that's all for this unboxing. So the box is empty, and I have already unboxed whatever is in the content of this Legend Nano S WhitePaper limited edition. So you can't find it right now on the market, but I would say people are selling it at high prices, if I'm not wrong, eBay or whatsoever. So yep, if you are a true hardcore fan of Bitcoin, I would say keeping this, it is a collectible, I would say. Yep. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and of course turn on post notification if you like the video. Peace. Thank you very much for staying tuned.